Okay, so for those who are saying they are having challenges in accessing the various courses on the website, when you first come to the website, these are the link. What you would see should be an interface like this, and you should see something for becoming a student or to register. So because I have already registered before, I have login over here, right? So I can do that. Or you can come all the way down here and you see student registration, so you can click on that. When you do, it brings you here. You fill in your details: first name, last name, username, email, password, and then you confirm. Just remember your details, and then you can register. Now when you are done registering, if you want to access the course, what you do is that you can click on the course. Let's say I want to access chemical process calculations. I can click on that, and I can click on add to cart. So let me sign in. Sorry, apparently I wasn't signed in. So I can click on add to cart, and I can click on view cart. So now when I come to view cart, it brings me here, and we see the various options over here. So it means I've already selected this before. I've selected this now. Please make sure that the quantity you select is always on 1. Otherwise, it means you do a multiple payment. If it's on 2, it means you're doing a double payment. So please make sure it's always on 1. It's something that we are still going to work on. So I can remove an item if I don't want that course anymore. I can add another item by going back and selecting the course I want. Now when I'm done with this, I'll click on proceed to checkout. Then from here, what I have to do is to enter my details. So I can enter my details. So it would ask me to enter my email address, my home address, and a few other things. So I can enter all those details and then select my payment option, which is going to be mobile money, right? Then when I'm done, I can just come to place order. So when I click on place order, what's going to happen is that it will send an OTP to my number on my phone. So I'll enter my number here. It will send an OTP to me, and then I can just pay, right? So that's the way it works.